Hello everyone. Welcome to Let's Learn English. I hope every one of you're doing great at your home. So I hope you have watched the previous videos which I have uploaded and you must have liked those videos as well. So today we are here with a new topic that is called subject. So what is a subject? Basically, subject in a sentence is a person or a thing about whom we are talking about in the sentence. Now, I will explain you this in a more elaborated manner. So, what is a subject? The person or anything about whom we are talking in the sentence. For example, I am talking, my name is Rohan. So, in this sentence, the person about whom we are talking is Rohan. So, Rohan is the subject in this sentence. So, basically, subject, it can be a noun or a pronoun. So, we have not discussed noun or pronouns yet in any of the videos. We will be discussing it later in later videos more briefly. But as of now, you should understand that noun can be the name of a person, place, animal, thing, or an idea. Right? And pronoun is the name is a word which can be used in place of the noun. Usually, mostly in normal sentences, a subject, it normally precedes the verb. Now, what is the meaning of precedes? Precedes mean before. So, a subject, usually it comes before a verb. So, in most of the cases, in some cases, it may not be correct, but usually subject precedes the verb. So now the problem arises it would be very easy for every child to find the subject in a sentence if there is only one noun. For example, if I'm saying my name is Rohan, so here there is only one noun. But the question arises, the problem and the difficulty arises in those cases where there is more than one noun in a sentence. For example, we can say Rohan is talking to Riya about the exams. Now in this sentence, Rohan is also a noun and Riya is also a noun. Now children usually will get confused that which one is actually the subject. So in these type of sentences where we are not able to find the subject very easily, so we have a certain pattern, or we can say a trick, to find the subject in a sentence. Now let's understand that. If in a sentence we are talking about a person, if in a sentence the noun is a person, then ask the question using the question word who. Now, and answer that you will get will be the subject. I know most of you have not understood what I have written here. I will explain you this with an example. See this example. He is eating a sandwich. Now, in this sentence, a noun or a pronoun is he. Now tell me, he is a person, right? Now, if the noun or the pronoun in the sentence is a person, then from this question you have to ask a question. Now ask the question as, who was eating the sandwich? When the noun is a person, then ask the question as, who was eating the sandwich? Then what would be the answer? Who was eating the sandwich? Answer would be he. He was eating sandwich. So subject in this sentence is he. So he was eating the sandwich. So subject in this sentence is he. Right? Now let's look at another example to understand it more. Who bought a new mobile? In this sentence, for example, the sentence is I bought a new mobile, right? Sentence is I bought a new mobile. Now, in this sentence, I is a noun and that is a person. So, in case of person, ask the question as who? Who bought the new mobile? So, the answer would be I. I bought the new mobile. So, the subject would be I. Next is she is very pretty. Now, she is a person. Now, ask the question as who is very pretty? Answer is she. So, she is the noun here. Now, if in a sentence we are talking about a thing, then ask the question in the form of what. If the noun or the pronoun in a sentence is a thing, then previously we were asking the question as who. Now you can ask the question as what. So let's look in an example. The sky is blue. So noun here is sky. Sky is not a person, it's a thing. So what is blue? Answer is the sky. Honesty is the best policy. So honesty is not a thing. It's not a person. So what is the best policy? Honesty. Honesty is the subject. Now, this we have done with who and what we have done in normal assertive sentences. But if in case there are other type of sentences as well. We have studied in the previous video that there are many other type of sentences as well. So let's study how to find the subject in negative sentences. For example, he was not eating mangoes. He was not eating mangoes. So he is a person here and you have to ask the question as who. Who was not eating mangoes? Subject is he. I did not buy anything. I is a person. So ask the question as who did not buy anything? Answer is I. She is not arrogant. So she is a person. So who is not arrogant? Subject is she. The scenery is not beautiful. So see, scenery, it's a thing. So ask the question as what? What is not beautiful? Answer is the scenery. Tea is not hot. What is not hot? Answer is tea. Now, till now we were looking with the normal sentences, assertive as well as the negative. Both were normal full stop sentences. But now the question and the problem arises in the interrogative sentences. How to find the subject? In interrogative sentences, we cannot ask a question like who or what, because there is already a question in the sentence. Then how do we find the subject? Now, look at here. In interrogative sentences, first convert the question sentence into a normal sentence. First of all, you need to convert the question sentence to a normal sentence. Now, how will you convert that? Simple. A question sentence, you know very well that it always starts with the question word or the helping verb, right? For example, what is your name, right? And do you like to study, right? So in these sentences, in interrogative sentences, it always starts with either the question word or the helping verb comes at the front. So to convert interrogative sentence into a normal assertive sentence, what you need to do is the question word or the helping verb which is at the beginning of the sentence, you place it in between the sentence to make a meaningful sentence. Then ask the question like who or what. I will explain you it with an example. Is your house ready? Now in this quest, is your house ready? First of all, you need to convert this into a normal sentence. So normal would be your house is ready. Your house is ready. You just need to put the first word in between so that it should be a normal and a complete sentence. So sentence would be your house is ready. Now tell me, in this your house is ready, about whom we are talking? We are talking about house. So house is a thing, and when the noun in the sentence is thing, we ask the question as what. So how will we ask question? What is ready? Answer is house. Right? So subject is house. Let's study this more with some more examples. Have you brushed your teeth? Now, first of all, convert this into a normal sentence. It would be, you have brushed your teeth. You have brushed your teeth. Now, in this, the noun is or pronoun is you. You have brushed your teeth. We are talking about you. So, ask the question as who? Who have brushed teeth? Who have brushed teeth? Answer is you. So, subject is you. Is this your pen? Convert this into a sentence. This is your pen. Now, in this is your pen. Pen is a thing. So, ask the question as what? So, what is this? Ask the question as what is this? This is your pen. So, subject here is what is your pen? Ask the question as what is your pen? And the subject here is this. Because you see, here the pronoun this, it is used in context with the pen. We are using pronoun this in place of pen, right? So, pen is a thing. So, that is why we are asking the question as what. And what will be the question? What is this? What is your pen? This is your pen. So, subject is this, right? Now, in some sentences, if a question starts with who or what, in some sentences, questions start with who. Who are you? What is your name? Right? In those cases, you need not to find the subject like this method, like convert and then ask the question, because ultimately you are going to ask the question as who or what, right? So, and there in these sentences we are already asking the question in the form of who and what. So, no need to find the subject in those sentences. In these cases, the question word who and what are the subject itself, right? For example, who is cooking the food? So, without any worries, say subject is who. What is your name? Subject is what. Who is that old lady? So, subject is who. So, I hope it was quite easy for you and you must have understood about the topic subject, and you must be now able to find the subject in all the kind of sentences, and it would be very helpful for you. So I hope you will study this and practice this subject topic at home as well. And till then, see you soon. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you all. Thank you.